Yaurana, welcome to Tahiti.
We're waking up to fresh here in the Marquesas Islands.
No more misery, no more pain, no more sorrow, no more shame. Let me feel heavenly joy, heavenly
Fresh, brought to you by the people, for the people. Keep it fresh!
Talofa, this is King Ka BC. I'm here to watch Lani and Alrie for the world title heavyweight fight.
It's my passion, you know?
I'm handing them out to all my fans.
Yaurana Freshies, welcome to French Polynesia in Tahiti. I'm Kahukaiha and this is my area code. We've got some sashimi, some poisson cru, some chow mein.
Always keep it fresh.
Walk in like a boss where my money at. Walk in like a boss where my money at. Walk in like a boss where my money at.
I've got multiple New Zealand titles, super middleweight, light heavy and heavyweight. And my last one I got was the Australasian title. I've been boxing 10 years on and off, and I got into it to lose weight because I was super heavyweight. My next fight, I'm fighting for a world title. I remember having an epiphany when I was like fresh as. I think I'd only had like a couple fights, and I told my sister, "Oi, I just had an epiphany, I'm gonna be a world champ." Oh, I think it was around 2012 Commonwealth Games, and I saw Savannah Marshall fighting, and I was thinking, fuck, I could beat her. But I couldn't even throw a proper jab, so I don't know. I just had this like real thing feeling like, fuck, I'm better than her, I could beat her if I committed. I've been pitched up here since the end of January, like literally. I've had a lot of time to just sit with my own thoughts, and I've had John to like bounce my thoughts off, and we've been working so hard. Like moving forward, if I was to fight again, I feel I could never not fight if I wasn't doing what I'm doing now. I've set the bar now.
Lani Daniels, she has attributes that you can't teach. She's got good eyes. She's courageous, she's smart, she's a quick thinker, which is what a boxer needs. She's hard to hit when she's fit, and that's what she is now. She's very fit and very hard to hit. This is not unknown territory. We've been here before, we've done it before, and we've made a few mistakes, and we weren't lucky enough to win the world title a few years back. But we lost that title so we can win this title, and it's all about growing as a fighter, and she's very mature. She understands what we did wrong. I understand what I did wrong, and we fixed those issues, and now we're complete 100% ready for this fight coming up.
I got into boxing around 15, 16. You know, Dad just dropped me off to the ABA and left, and I just carried on from there, really. But I think the inspiration for me had to be Masoi and Tua, you know, because Samoan household, we watched all of their fights. So yeah, I'm fighting for the IBF heavyweight women's belt. I think that for women's boxing, this pushes the envelope, especially here in New Zealand, because the pool is quite small in heavyweight, and most of the heavyweight division is in New Zealand. So I think just by us pursuing this, maybe the youth might watch and have the same goals. They know that it's achievable. I think you know, if you've got a dream, make sure you're surrounded by the right people, and that they're not just there for show, you know, because these people, even when you might fall back on yourself, they'll make sure that if they know your dream,
that they push you towards it, even when your mind might not be there. But keep the good people around you, and just start. Because if you spend too much time thinking about it, you won't start.
I believe that there's going to be a few different components that are going to come together, and that's where the magic part will come through. I believe that she hasn't even shown her true potential. That's something that we've been developing on, and yeah, it's got to be something really quite nice. So we've put a great team together for strength and conditioning, as you guys seen, from our trainers, assistant coaches, and kind of working really, really hard to make sure that we achieve what we've been working for the last few years.
My family inspires me to do better, you know. We grew up, if we all had nothing, we all had nothing, eh? So they always push me to do better for myself and for us. So I think my biggest inspiration is my family.
Pretty proud to be Māori. I'm pretty blessed to have been raised where I was raised, because I was just fully immersed in it. Although I'm not fluent in te reo, you know, I can understand and I know tikanga and protocols and stuff like that, and I'm quite blessed like my dad, in that he's fluent and he's the kaumata on our marae, and it all makes sense to me. And I think if it's good for Māori, it's good for everybody. We're such an embracing people, and it doesn't matter who you are. I love it, like tika pono aroha. If we all based our life around that, this world will be a much better place. And I love how, you know, our hata mea nui, it's people. Doesn't matter what colour you are, how much money you got in your bank account, we're all people at the end of the day. And I think that's what we need to embrace in this world.
So alofa, my name is Alrie Meleisea. I'm a professional boxer.
Kia ora, my name's Lani Daniels. I'm from Pipuai. I'm a professional boxer.
And this is
me,
YGB.
Welcome back to Fresh in the Marquise Islands.
Talofa, this is King BC. I'm here to watch Lani and Alrie for the world title heavyweight fight of the women. So let's go. It's going to be an awesome night. One thing to do is always keep it fresh. Fresh, yeah.
I normally get nervous just before I go out. But it's alright, we've got a bunch of Māoris out there meeting to do a karakia, so we'll tame them.
But I'm fighting for a world title. Like any other fight, I get nerves, but I think that's a good thing because it keeps me training and striving to be better. But at the same time, I've never trained as hard as I have been, so I'm feeling quite confident and I'm expecting to win. Like, there's no doubt about that. Like, I'm going into it thinking it's mine. Kia ora whānau, this is my dad. Mike from Pipuai Bush. Very nice.
Just happy to be here tonight. Support my daughter. Very, very proud of her.
There's a lot of fighters out there. Got a lot of potential here in New Zealand. So we'll just really to support that, and yeah, big ups to the fighters and those who are training for their fights.
Hey Lani, keep it fresh.
This is huge for me because when I turned pro, this was my goal. You know, sometimes you feel like it's a pipe dream, but you give it to yourself anyway. I'd love to be the heavyweight world champion and unify the belts. It's huge. It's huge. You know, the duty is on us, so no one's gonna do it for us. So it's a huge fight.
We're here to support Alrie. Keep it fresh.
This is my first debut today. I represent for Samoa. I'm on from the beautiful village of Palealupo, and my dad from Salolonga. Shout out for Savai'i boys. Keep it fresh.
I think it's going to be a great fight. It's awesome to see female boxing grow in this country. And listen, I know both fighters, but I'm supporting my Samoan sister, Alrie, tonight. And she goes out there and tries to win this championship of the world. And I'm so grateful to be here, to be amongst the people, but also to be amongst this great event and great fight night. I'm looking forward to a nice fight from two great fighters. And with that, keep it fresh.
I know Lani's a very experienced fighter. She's got, you know, good skills, and she's done a lot in this sport, especially for women's boxing. So, you know, I'm not taking the challenge lightly, but I'm gonna come ready. That's what you know.
This time I know I'm good enough, and I don't think anybody will be able to beat me in our weight category right now. We're born fighters, we're raised strong, and I knew I was made to be something better.
Yaurana Freshies, welcome to French Polynesia in Tahiti. I'm Kahukaiha, and this is my area code. Today we're gonna go on a hike. It's a 15-minute walk from the bottom of Papeete, and people call it La Croix, which means the cross. Fresh air. So we're finally here. The only way to know where to go, you just need to look for the cross. And the best part about this place, you have a 180-degree view of Papeete. Now that the sun is setting, it's time for me to get something to eat. Let's go. So we are here in Vaiete at the Roulotte. Roulotte means a food truck. The Roulotte is like a go-to dinner place for all the locals and for the tourists to come here and enjoy our food and the food of many other cultures. So hungry. So we have some chow mein, some grilled fish on fries, some poisson cru, some steak, fries and rice. Amazing. Amazing. My stomach's pretty full now. Now wait, I'm gonna take you to a place that you're gonna love. Let's find out. Welcome to the Ture! So the Ture is like a Tahitian version of the Disneyland. It happened of the month of July, all over the places. In Tahiti is a place to come to enjoy for kids, for adults. Everyone is welcome.
Allez, poisson, poisson, blup, blup.
Oh yeah. So this is the end of our area code in Tahiti.
Keep it. Oh, hey, fresh.
So this is the girl?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't think you have a chance, son. She's too pretty for you.
Hanui, bringing you fresh from the Marquesas Island. Yay!
So this is the girl?
Yeah, yeah.
The one you're taking to the school dance?
Ball, Grandma. Yes.
I don't think you have a chance, son.
What do you mean?
Well, open your eyes and look. She's too pretty for you.
Oi, Dickus. With my undies. Let me finish this and then I'll come and help. What? Oh! Who's this? Oh, it's Joe. Joe who? Joe Mama. Huh? Oh, come off your jokes. How about I choke your face with my fist?
Hey! Shh! What are you boys doing?
Oh, Mum, look. This guy's been perving at girls online.
Ole perv.
Oh, it's when you, like, sneaky hide and look at girls on the net.
And what about the magazines over there? Have you been sneaky looking at the women's magazine?
What?
You better go and take all my Women's Day magazines out of your room and into that fire bottle. Oh my gosh, disgusting boy. And who are you looking at? You better not be watching those naughty videos.
No. I'm just looking at this girl that I want to take to the school ball. Her name's Sunema.
Oh, wow, son, she's so beautiful.
Too beautiful for you, loser.
Shut up your mouth.
Anyways, do you think I have a chance?
Nah, I'm leaning towards no.
Yes, of course you do, son. Who wouldn't want to be with a bright and handsome young man like you?
Lies.
Mom, you're only saying that because I'm your son.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying it because it's the truth.
Well, I guess we'll find out.
What do you mean?
She's coming over.
Today? But the toilet is dirty.
But the house isn't clean. Oh, my word. She's probably going to come and think we're the most dirtiest people in the whole of New Zealand. And look at your clothes, son.
Oh, look at your clothes. You haven't had a shower all day.
What's wrong with my clothes? You have got to be kidding me.
This is the new pre-millennium style.
Millennial, Mom.
It's more like a prehistoric style.
Mom.
Shh, you look gorgeous, son. She's here.
Here? Quickly, sit down and read the Bible.
Yeah. Your mama is here to see you.
Who's your mama? Oh, you better watch out before I crack you in the mouth. Get over there. Get over there.
Okay, Mom. Thank you. I think I can take it from here.
Yeah, okay. Well, you two kids behave and call me if you need anything,
Yeah,
okay?
okay,
Sumena. Bye. Yeah.
I'm glad you asked me to come over. There's actually something I've been dying to ask you.
Pretend to answer your phone, quickly.
Is it okay if I just answer my phone?
It's not ringing.
Ooh, it's on vibrate. I'll just quickly answer this.
In that case, I'll take a quick call too.
Miss White. Hey, right now's not really the best time.
We've got a problem.
A problem? Is it like a problem that you can fix by yourself?
Hi, Auntie. What did you want to talk about?
Your girlfriend has brought a backup with her.
He's not alone. He's got an old lady with him.
You got a ghost? Who is she?
My auntie, she died like 2 years ago and just randomly turned up in my room.
It was murder. Your uncle's face killed me.
Yeah, my grandma just randomly showed up as well, like 2 nights ago. She said she couldn't go to heaven unless she completes an unselfish act like finding me a date to the ball.
Oh, so dramatic. Have you asked her already?
Ask him first.
What about his grandma? She'll be trapped.
Look, let's be honest. Look at the face, okay? Another 100 years is not gonna make a difference.
Hey, what's wrong with my face? I challenge you. Rocks, paper, scissors, knives, axe, the whole lot. Losers, stay. And you're losing already.
You're on, old lady.
Don't you dare call me an old lady.
I mean, we could just wait and see who wins.
What if we both ask at the same time?
To go to the school ball. Yeah, I mean, it's worth a try.
Paul,
Sunema, would you be my partner to the school ball?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, what's happened?
I think I'm going too.
Thank you, my son. I always believed in you.
Sunema, live your life to the fullest.
I want you to have a good time at the ball and enjoy yourself.
I promise, Grandma.
You can't be me, of course, but you can be the best version of yourself.
I love you.
I love you. Bye, Auntie.
Wow.
Signing out a fish from us over here in the
Marquesas Islands.
Come on, sing. We're the Tonga Sisters, and this is our world.
We're in the infamous Straits of Onehunga.
The thing that inspires me the most is, hands down, my sisters.
Welcome to the greatest show. How fresh are you? It is a father versus son episode. 1 liter, give me 1 liter. You know what?